What you really need to feel secure in a relationship. People do irrational things when being insecure in their relationships. Maybe you've experienced this, either as the insecure one, or the person dating the insecure one. We want to feel more secure in a relationship. But those irrational things can damage our relationships. Firstly, please give this video a like and subscribe our channel. What causes the security? Imagine a world where everyone holds a certain amount of fuel in their hands. There is a fire as lit in their heart, and that fire needs constant fueling to survive. Every single person will find their compatible person so that they can keep the other's fire on. Sometimes it's a smooth exchange of fuel. But the other times, some people refuse to give them fuel. These people could be their parents who failed to give them enough attention when they were still a child. Or it could be people who made them feel rejected in previous relationships. As time goes on, their fire gets smaller as lacking fuel. When, finally, someone suitable shows up to give them the fuel, they seek a lot from this partner. In order to ensure a constant supply of fuel, they do everything they can. They can't trust their partner because of what happened in their past. But when they demand so much fuel, it drains the other person. All those things that someone does to try to feel more secure can annoy or hurt the other person. Both will be exhausted. Insecurity doesn't come from the current relationship or partner. It comes from the inner fear of being abandoned, not being loved, and not being valued. This feeling is built up along the way. Where to look for security? The fire within a person is insecurity, and the fuel is a way to feel secure. Here are tips on how to make your own security really sustainable. 1. Fuel your own fire. Maybe you felt rejected. Others made you feel unimportant or didn't respect you. When feeling insecure, you are often focused on something you feel is lacking about you. But this isn't a good way to stay self-sufficient. Do something to make yourself feel good and secure. 2. Keep your fuel independent from your partner. When you're in a relationship, it's crucial to keep your independence. When you aren't dependent on your relationship to fill your needs, you feel more secure about your life. Maintain a sense of self-identity and take care of your own needs. Having your own life outside of a relationship makes you continually interesting and helps you to grow. Everyone has what they need to feel secure. But relying on others to make you feel secure is not healthy and will drain a relationship. Do what makes you feel confident and worthy. Light your own fire.